A mud kitchen is the perfect summer project to flex those DIY muscles and for curious little minds to play and explore. The beauty is you can make it whatever you want it to be. Ours is going to be 1 metre high, 400mm deep and 950mm wide with a worktop height of 500mm. Consider positioning it in a shady area throughout the day, as well as on a level surface like a patio or deck. Use your measurements to work out how much wood you need. Always remember your safety gear. First, get some decking boards and treated timber, or try upcycling reclaimed wood. Measure out and mark your pieces to make up the frame, and cut using a miter saw or a simple hand saw. Grab a mask and use the sander to sand down any rough or sharp edges and corners and remove any splinters so it's safe for little hands. Paint your bistro in the colour of your choice. I've decided to go for this lovely sage green, or you could go for a natural look with wood stain. We're going to have a mix of both. Now we're ready to build. Putting the frame together is super simple. Let's start with the treated timber for the base shape. Use the height of your front piece to measure and mark where the width piece will align with the back piece. Drilling pilot holes will stop the wood from splitting. Use a countersink so the screw heads sit deeper into the wood for extra safety, and attach with wood screws. That's the first one complete. Now repeat twice more. Choose 2 of the frames to put the outer panels on. These will be a part of the outside border of your frame, so make sure the panels are on opposite sides when stood up. Use the long pieces of timber to connect the outer frames. Start with the front of the base, and before attaching the pieces for the backboard, make sure to leave space for the width of the worktop wood. Strengthen the frame even more by adding a long piece to the inside of the base. Then attach the final frame to the middle for a super reinforced kitchen. Next up, we'll make the surfaces. Attach the bottom shelf, and then the worktop. Then a top little shelf too to hang all the utensils. That's the frame complete. Now let's have some fun. Here are some ideas that I love. Now, it wouldn't be a kitchen without a sink. Grab yourself a bowl and draw around it. Then a few millimetres inside that, draw a smaller circle. Attach battens underneath on both sides of your sink for more stability. Use a jigsaw to cut your circle and sand down the edges. Then pop in your sink. Now we need some running water. Use an auger drill bit that's an appropriate size for your chosen tap to create a hole in the side of a suitable plastic container. Offcuts are great for stabilisation, but drill slowly to prevent the plastic from cracking. Add a water plug to create a refillable reservoir. Use offcuts to add a handy shelf for your new water supply. And voila! For an authentic kitchen look, we're going to add a hob. You can bolt rubber feet to the front for turnable dials. And MDF is great for creating different size rings. Bolt them to the top. Any leftover MDF you can use to make a menu board. And chalk paint means your budding chefs can write up today's special. Hang your go-to utensils from the back panel, stock up your favourite spices and seasonings, and decorate to your heart's content. And if you want something different, a simple water funnel using some guttering creates a nifty interactive experience. Now we just need the secret recipe. 2 parts soil, 1 part sand, 1 part water. Maybe I'm not so hungry after all. I love this project. It's an amazing, tactile, sensory experience for kids over the summer. And there are so many other designs to choose from to teach fine motor skills and spark their imagination. Now, just let the professionals get to work. Ready, steady, bake. Dinner's ready! Lovely.